Hi, this is David Lee. Can I give you a demonstration of what we do at Passion to Profit? Now, this demonstration I'm sure will take no more than 5 minutes, and it is what we do, how we brand you, the person in front of your business. Now, what we do at Passion to Profit is get a photograph in front of a blue screen so that you can be cut out of the image very quickly and easily. Oops, I made a little mistake. I can undo that. It's sensitive, but we show you how to use the software that can allow you to create your own images, your own branding, give you the tools that are needed to create something for yourself, a brand, a logo that you can use custom made, as you'll see in a few minutes, or you can give to a graphic artist with a template of exactly what you're looking for that person to do. So see how I've cut out the image from the blue background. I'm now going to just cut it down to size, make it more manageable, and I will cut that rectangle out, and there is the full cutout of the person, and I'll just finish that. Now I've got a smaller image that I can play with, and I'm just going to do Control C, which is copy, which I've done now, and I'll go back to one of the templates that come with Passion to Profit, and I'll just paste it into that template. Now from this template, you'll see on the left side there are many images, many different photos you can be using that are all custom made, already licensed. This is just one of the very many tools and reservoir of templates that come with the Passion to Profit system. Didn't like pink? Let's make it yellow. Okay, so what we're going to do is brand Michael in front of this yellow logo circle. Now Michael's in the real estate business. He buys and sells properties, put people into their own homes. So let's get a picture of a house. So it is really about property, homes that people want to either sell or buy. And let's take an image. We'll put them in the front, back to the front, and put the family in front of their new home that they've just bought off Michael. And this is why testimonials, photograph, evidence are so key and fundamental to put you ahead of everybody else who just uses bland websites. Now we're going to move Michael across, move him to the front, just resize. See how simple and easy this is. Now this may not be the perfect website, but I'm just doing this off the cuff, this logo I should say. I'm just showing you how quickly, with little thought, something that can be much easier to do than perhaps what you're doing at the moment, less frustrating. Let's put in some text down the bottom, just to give you an example. Change the color, don't like the blue, just make it black. Put it down the bottom, and it's just a bending text that we can stretch out. Let's put the URL in there where we can find Michael. I'm keeping the counter going, but we're up to 3 minutes at the moment as I type your home, ownyourhome.com.co.uk. Let's do it for the United Kingdom. Just readjust that, and there we go. Now what are we going to do? We just adjust Michael's size. What will I do next? What if we get a testimonial? Again, testimonial. Let's get some authentic words that the people that we've helped have said about us. So we're going to put in Michael, you made owning our home so simple. And let's put the name. We can resize this, recolor this. I'm just showing you how quickly it can be done. Just type in the names here. Wendy and John Watts from Kent. Okay. I'll just move that a bit, change the color, change the size. I'll just push that over, center it, the names underneath, so it looks a bit more even. What are we up to? 4.5 minutes. Just move that down, make it probably a little bit smaller, move Michael across there, resize him. Quite often people are using a yellow color when to get people's attention. It's just an example. That's all I'm showing you. Let's just readjust that. But if I took an hour to think about what I wanted to do. I could come up with something much better, put in my actual logo, what it is I do. I help people into their own home today without the worry of a bank. Put that in as your branding. There we go. See how I can move that around? I can save that as a JPEG, and I'm all done. There, 5 minutes.